So today we're going to put all that we know about partitioning shapes and drawing fractions together. Your worksheet today is going to ask you to do two steps. The first is divide your shape into equal parts, and then the second step will be draw or color in a certain fraction of the shape. So here I have a rectangle, and next to it I have two directions. The first one says divide into 4 equal parts. So what that means, the word divide is simply telling you to partition. So if I'm dividing it into equal parts, I'm going to break it apart into 4 equal parts. I'm going to partition this rectangle into 4 equal parts. So let's do that now. I'm going to do it in X this time. Oh, it's kind of hard. Try that one more time. A little wiggly, but I made it to the corner better. Okay. In real life, I can draw straighter lines than this. All right, so it is now divided or partitioned into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my second direction says here, color 3/4 blue. So I'm just going to follow those steps. The next one, I'm going to choose a darker blue. There we go. I'm going to just color it in. 3/4 of it. Maybe with a slightly thicker one next time. Make this circle a little thicker. There we go. All right, there we go. Much easier. So 2/4 are colored. Maybe these aren't equal fourths, actually. Now that I think about it, maybe a rectangle can't be divided by an X. Huh. Well, okay, I did my best. Okay, so 3/4 of this rectangle are colored, even though now I'm starting to feel like they aren't equal. Okay, so this one I'm going to do, make sure it is equal. This is a circle. I'm going to divide into 3 equal parts, or as we know, that word also just means partition, and we know how to do that. We're going to break it into 3 equal parts. So here we go. First line, let's start from the middle. Kind of make it look like a peace sign. 3 equal parts. Okay. The second step, I'm just following the steps it tells me to do, right? So first was partitioning. The second step is color 1/3 yellow. So this might feel a lot like review, guys. That's good. That just means you're getting really familiar with fractions. So now I'm going to just color this 1/3 yellow. Boom. Followed my directions. So today the idea is not really anything new. It's just practice what we know all together. So your worksheet is going to ask you to do these 2 steps. You're going to divide it into a certain number of parts, or partition your shape into a certain number of parts. That's the first step. The second step, you're going to just follow the directions. What fraction does it want colored? So it's now your turn. Please complete the draw and color a fraction page. 2 steps, partitioning, and then color the fraction they give.